Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I do my simple wash and go and then later get this look. And before we get to that, I would like to thank you so much for the messages and the comments on the previous videos. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you. Washing your hair, you leave for about 15 minutes to dry and just to get a little bit damp and let out the excess water. After that, now this is what I normally do, and yeah, let's get started. um, First I apply the leave-in conditioner, and this is it. So after the leave-in conditioner, I use the curling cream just to make my hair curly, and I love the scent. This is it seals the moisture, and yeah, this is raw shea butter, so it's a bit, it doesn't smell nice. It's a bit stickish and has some particles, but yeah. My hands. Yeah, I think this is ready. It has the whitish thing on the hair, but it fades away with time, like it will melt away during the day or during the night. I was going to make a simple style. First I try to make a line somewhere here on the side. So after getting the line, this is what I have achieved. It's not that straight, but yeah. And then I clip it. Yeah, we're almost there. I'm gonna use my hand to make the afro look big. From this side. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.